Hey everybody, Rosie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really cool 3D resin coasters with a silicone mold from Redesign with Prima, some mica powders from Mayspring, and some Alumilite resin. For this project, I will be using two different types of resin. The first resin we'll be using is casting resin. Casting resin cures in 10 minutes and turns white. You typically don't put any kind of colorants in casting resin. That is why I painted the mica powder onto the silicone mold before. You'll let that sit for 10 minutes and it will turn white, which will indicate that you are ready to demold. So here you see me demolding the flowers, and you can see that the mica powder has now stuck onto the resin. I then placed the resin flower into a mold that already had some cured resin, and now I am mixing Alumilite Clear Cast Plus, which is a resin that will take 24 hours to cure. Clear Cast Plus is a clear resin, and you can add colorants like mica powder, pigment paste, into this resin. All resins do yellow over time, but Clear Cast Plus has a UV protection in it to slow down that process. After 24 hours, I do demold my coasters, and there you have it. Some beautiful 3D looking coasters that are very pretty.